People of the Northwest Coast. South of the icy tundra near the Pacific Ocean, deep forests grew. Nations in these forests fished and gathered shellfish from the sea. In the spring, they went out in big canoes to hunt giant gray whales. In the summer, the woods gave them berries and fruit. This rich land could feed many families, so people lived in large villages. In the rainy, stormy winters, they lived in the shelter of the forests. In the spring and summer, they paddled their canoes down the coast to the summer homes. They built sturdy wooden houses with posts carved from soft, tall cedar trees. Their canoes were made from cedar logs, and they carved tall poles into the shapes of the animals their family felt related to: deer, bear, turtle, beaver, or eagle. Many village chiefs and others of these Northwest Coast nations became rich and powerful. They took pride in having gift-giving parties called potlatches. Many other nations also had ceremonies at which they gave gifts of blankets, shawls, baskets, and beadwork. The gifts honored those who gave them. They also showed how rich the giver was. Sometimes, in one great party, a rich man of the Northwest Coast gave away all he owned. Of course, he would soon be invited to someone else's potlatch and be given the gifts in return. Parties, festivals, music, and dancing were very important to these people of long ago. At the center of almost any village was an open space for dancing. All year there were sun dances, rain dances, corn dances, deer dances, harvest dances, and winter dances. Every nation had its own special dances. There were special dances to honor the young people, both boys and girls, as they grew up. Often, dancers wore costumes. They wore masks to honor a spirit or a god. And as a man danced, he seemed to become that spirit. To make music, people beat on painted drums, shook rattles made of dry gourds, and blew into whistles or pipes.